You know, my mom always say like there's a call on your life for being like, you know, you're so in tune with God. You think that you probably be a pastor in the latter years
of your life? Me and a pastor, man. He's a man of God, man. Pastor, them a thief and corruption. I mean, they're no pastor nowadays.
You're in nothing with corruption.
Me
you're not a politician.
Nothing with no pastor. Because you see pastor them nowadays, them are some real demon and them are Satan. One time when the corruption and the nastiness them are going to Jamaica, pastor would go by the wayside and edges and preach about them. No pastor help condone with the nastiness them.
They're just trying to, you know.
Trying to what? Trying to lean yourself from people.
I'm trying to defend the pastors.
We don't know why you play devil's advocate. Me no want to be in a society. Me no want to be in a society.
You're talking about like
me want to be a part of God.
All
of them something they want to write.
They're reaching out to love. They're loving everyone. Depending, no matter what you are, they're going to love you. They're going to accept you.
Them are liars. I people them money. They want. You don't have no preacher where I preach them because I preach the word of God. Because when I preach the word of God, you don't want no money. You don't want nothing, you don't want no acceptance, you want what God say you fi do.
And more pastors are being
and them pastors you not deal with nothing. If you know much of them are charged if try rape people pitney. Much of them are charged for child abuse, pedophile, and them something there. And most of the pastors are involved in them something there now.
Priests.
Because the church inoculated with nothing more than sin and corruption, presumptuous sin. Then get all of the people their money, then get so addicted to thieving the people their money when collection time come. Then forget their God them a preach about. So me in a them and then church and then God and then this and then that. Me in a my God, my belief, my faith, where God lead me and I follow.
So that's a spiritual and not religious.
Me not in a no religious. Religious is a confusion. If you notice right now the war we are going at the Middle East. It's religious just people are war.
What I've been saying.
Christian and Muslim are war.
What I've been saying.
And from day one in our Christian and Muslim are Christian and Muslim are the wickedest set of people. Them God for kill out the whole of them, you know. God for just kill all
I think this is where we should wrap up this interview.
Ramping up
Rasta now. You must Rasta then. Upon him twist up.
I think we should wrap up this interview.
Them can't hate me, but when me talk and can't beat me, but me word me can't stop. Me I tell you not that. Me want God just get serious one day and just say tired of the whole of you and a full time now for you know say I mean in God. And just start do the world dusty even if Ninjaman have to get hurt in there. Me tell you that.
So the God of the Old Testament is
yeah man, if me have to get hurt in there when God have put on your hand, me want you put on your hand. Because a country like this where you have from Walton Park Road to Spanish Town Road, from Mullins Road to Spanish Town Road from Walton Park Road, you have more than 60 church. And in every garrison area in Jamaica, full up a church. And now on the left from the church, I be a corruption, who not bleach, I do homosexualist, who not turn homosexualist, I turn lesbian, and who not, where you come from, man? On the last God all the way. Tell them about rum and boom, NRC, freaky life, gun, murder. You see how people them are killing now? Senseless killing. Senseless killing. You can't find a killing going nowhere you can say, that man ya did got this, that man ya, and that this make it happen. When you hear them killing that we going nowadays, there's no reason for them people are dead. You understand me? Because me this year, and me bad. You know, wait till you hold me way bad, you kill me sister. You kill me mother. You kill me dog, me goat, me fowl. That make you wicked. You're a big idiot. When me I deal with things, me go for who, go for me. I that me. Do you ever see police that come for man brother when him do so when you do something? The police go for you when commit the crime. So when a man commit crime upon you, you're supposed to go kill him mother, you're supposed to go kill him father. If you're bad enough, go defend it, and then you and the police and him and the police fight it out. But you must fight no war between you know one another and stop killing innocent people them. If you no real bad, if you no bad like me big toe.
This is where we end it.
You know, I ask one more question, like